Your Subaru Crosstrek key fob from 2015 to 2020 models uses a CR2032 battery. Battery failures are common after 4 to 5 years of use. To replace the battery, gently pry open the fob case using a flat tool like a screwdriver or coin along the seam on the sides. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up with the positive sign. Insert the new CR2032 battery the same way, positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the buttons to ensure it works. That's it. This process should only take 5 to 10 minutes. If your key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, first check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Water damage can also cause issues. If cleaning doesn't work, your key fob might need reprogramming. Consult your Subaru owner's manual or a trusted mechanic for resetting the fob by cycling the ignition or using a diagnostic tool. Although rare, internal circuit damage may require replacing the entire key fob, which can be cheaper through aftermarket parts than going through the dealership.